Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use max moves in Pokémon Go. Max moves are game-changing abilities that can turn the tide of any battle. They are special, high-damage attacks unique to each Pokémon, requiring careful timing and energy management. Understanding when and how to deploy these powerful moves is key to dominating your opponents and securing victories in various battle scenarios. Let's dive into how you can master them. Acquiring these formidable max moves for your Pokémon involves a few different paths. Many Pokémon naturally learn their signature max move upon evolving, while others might need a bit more effort. Keep an eye out for special in-game events, as these often provide opportunities to teach rare or exclusive max moves. Remember, elite charged TMs are your best friend for unlocking those hard-to-get, powerful attacks for your favorite companions. Unleashing a max move in battle is straightforward, but requires keen observation. As your Pokémon battles, it will accumulate energy. Once the max move button glows, indicating sufficient energy, a single tap will unleash its devastating power. Pay close attention to your opponent's health and your own energy bar. Deciding the perfect moment to strike can be the difference between a narrow defeat and a decisive victory. Practice makes perfect. Mastering max moves goes beyond just knowing when to tap. It involves strategic thinking and understanding battle dynamics. Consider your Pokémon's type matchups and your opponent's weaknesses. Sometimes, holding onto your max move for a crucial moment, like taking down a powerful raid boss or a tough gym defender, is more effective than using it immediately. Experiment with various Pokémon to find the best combinations and elevate your battle prowess.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.